How to block HDFC debit card. First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at hdfcbank.com. Hover over the login button and select NetBanking from the drop-down menu. Log in using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go to the card section from the top menu. Then click on the request section in the left sidebar under the debit cards option. From the drop-down, select debit card hotlisting. Now, select the debit card you wish to block from the list. Confirm your selection and choose a reason for blocking the card, such as lost, destroyed, damaged, or not received. You can also add a remark if needed. After that, click on confirm and your card will be blocked successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to block your HDFC debit card quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.